Hi everybody! Now today we're going to be looking at some of our setting descriptions from yesterday. Some of you wrote some super sentences in your setting descriptions. It really made me feel like I was in Antarctica. So we're going to read some of them now. So first we've got Zachary's. I really felt like I was in a story when I was reading Zachary's, so I'll read it to you now. We had arrived in Antarctica. As we stepped off the boat, I saw a big fluffy polar bear. Then I could taste the salty ice. Then I felt the cold air. All of a sudden I heard a squeaking penguins, and I could see their black coats waddling towards me. I just love Antarctica. That was a really good description, Zach. Well done. Now also we've got some good descriptions from Miss Dodman's class. So Toby, I loved yours. As we stepped off the boat, I could feel the white crunchy snow. The penguins waddle as the waves crashed against sharp snow rocks. I could smell the fresh air filling my lungs as I stumbled across an old blue boat. I could taste the salty, sweet-tasting seawater. Wow, what good description, Toby. Super. I've also got Isla's here from Miss Dodman's class. We had arrived in Antarctica. As we stepped off the boat, I felt the frosty snow crunch under my boots. I could see seals and whales swimming in the turquoise sea. On the soft white mountains, I could hear penguins talking to each other. I can taste the salty air on my lips. I love how you used your senses there, Isla. Now we've got Isla from my class now. We had arrived in Antarctica. As we stepped off the boat, we seen the crispy mountains and the black and white penguins. The birds fly high in the big bright sky. We feel ice cold because there is ice everywhere. We can hear the penguins squeaking and the waves crashing on the ice. We can see the big fluffy white clouds in the huge blue sky. We can touch the blue sea and the white snow. We can touch the white snow on the big mountains. We can hear the crunchy snow when you step on it, and we can taste the salty air blowing in our face. Well done, Isla. We've got one more. We've got Yulia's here. We had arrived in Antarctica. As we stepped off the boat, we saw huge white icebergs, and we felt really cold air. The ocean was blue and shining. We heard the voice of penguins. The sky was light blue and the clouds were white. We felt the crunchy snow under our feet, and we also tried very cold water from the ocean. So well done, Yulia. That was really good. Now, today I want you to draw a picture to match your description that you wrote yesterday. I want you to try and make it a little bit different to the picture that we're used to looking at. Try and imagine another part of Antarctica. Try and include some of the things that you've talked about in your description. Now, when you've done that, I want you to fill out a worksheet on spelling and grammar. So we're going to be looking at question marks and full stops today. I want you to add a question mark or a full stop in the box after the sentence. So read the sentence, how old are you, and decide whether it needs a full stop or a question mark on the end. When you've done that, I want you to write 3 of your own questions. When you've done all of that, I want you to submit that to Google Classroom. Okay? I want to just say as well, well done to everybody. Even if I didn't read out your setting description today, I want you to know they were all amazing. I would be here for a long time if I read out everybody's. But they were really good. Okay? Now, Miss Dodman will be with you next week, but I've loved teaching you literacy this week, and I've loved reading all of your work. I'll see you in a few weeks. Bye!